Hey everybody, this is Josh from Honest Abe Roofing, and I just wanted to show you a textbook example of ice damming on a flat roof that's roofed in properly. What we've got here is a low slope roof with 3-tab shingle that is iced over still, and it's about 11 o'clock today. Sun's out and sunny, but these trees block the path of the sunlight. Now all your snow that builds up, rainwater, comes down here and gets to the spot that's still at 11 o'clock today frozen over, and that's going to cause damage to the decking. And the only way to repair something like this is replace the decking and re-roof with new flat roofing material such as TPO, EPDM, flint lastic. So if you're seeing anything like this on your roof or having similar issues with a similarly sloped low roof, just give us a call at Honest Abe Roofing or visit us online at honestaberoofing.com.